Hi, this is Sean with Lux Landscape Lighting. I want to talk to you about what I see as the trends for 2022. Can't believe that's here already. So what I see is a dark sky movement, and what that is just that we're not polluting the light or the skies with light. So that really comes into play with your neighbors. So if you have houses on either side of you, you don't want to shoot the light into your neighbor's windows or into their private space. It's just not the proper thing to do. It's even being done with looking at large buildings and parks, everywhere, just to be polite with your light and don't pollute. Keep the light on your property. One way of doing that is using more down lighting, or what we call moon lighting, so the light is shining down into your property and not up into the skies. The other thing we see, and this trend is basically being driven by the construction of outdoor entertainment areas, outdoor kitchens, the patios, swimming pools. We're seeing a lot of those go in, and it's called hardscape lighting. So as you're building this new patio or outdoor kitchen, incorporating your landscape lighting into those features, so that if you have an outdoor fireplace, even when you're not burning a fire, it can be uplit and look very attractive. A lot of those features they're building are just stunning looking, so you might as well show them off with some nice lighting. The other thing we're seeing more of is what's called Bistro Lighting. That's where you have a string of lights. The light bulbs are typically about 24 inches apart. It just gives a very festive and joyful look. Those can be used in lots of different areas. You can, if you have a pergola or a gazebo, it's real nice to string them underneath those items. Or you can just stretch them between poles across your patio. It gives a nice, even light. It's not too bright. It's not like a big floodlight where it's blinding you. It's just a very nice warm feeling. It's easy to see your company, easy to talk to people, and navigate the area in which you're living. Next thing we're seeing really increase is security lighting. There's a lot more car break-ins and home break-ins, and doing a nice landscape lighting plan. Not only does it show off your house, but it does tend to keep intruders from targeting your house. They'd much rather target a dark house where nobody can see them than they can a well-lit house. And lastly, I wanted to talk about is color changing lights. This is something that's just really fairly new phenomenon. The products that are out there have only been for the last maybe 4 or 5 years, and when they first came out they had a lot of problems, but they're really getting the technology down. So you can take your landscape lighting and actually have it change colors. So come Christmas time, you can do the red and green lights, and for Halloween, orange and purple, or you got your favorite college team, you could light up your house on game day with their team sports colors. So very interesting stuff coming out. If you would like to talk more about that, please give us a call and we can help you out with that information and bringing those new trends to your home.